Google rejected my app and Apple rejected my app 3 times. I'll be breaking down the beginner mistakes I made when building and submitting my app to both stores. This was my first app uploaded to the Apple and Google store. I wanted to make something simple, an app I can vibe code in an hour that has minimal review risk. Basically an app that I can get to production in a few days. Here's some context. The app is an affirmations app. It's an affirmation-based app that is based on user goals. Users put in their goals and the app generates affirmations for the user. Once the app was ready, I used EAS Expo to generate an AAB file, uploaded it to the Play Store console, then waited for 2 days. 48 hours later, I received an email from Google that an issue was found in my app, violation of broken functionality policy. And guess what? I built the app using iOS Simulator on my MacBook, so I never got to test it on Android, as I thought the app is so simple. If it works on iOS, then it should work on Android. I downloaded Android Studio, installed JDK and relevant SDKs. Then I got the Android emulator to run and installed the AAB on the emulator, and it crashed. Exactly as the review on Google Play Console mentioned. The problem was that the date picker library I was using on React Native worked on iOS but not on Android. I implemented the fix, then uploaded the AAB again. I waited and waited for a couple of days, no response. So after 5 days, I decided to log into Google Play Store Connect and my app was now in production. I was so excited. I downloaded the app on my Android physical device. It worked. I knew Apple might be a challenge, but I did not give it my all. The first rejection, I took iPhone screenshots and stretched them for the iPad screenshot submission. I knew it was risky, but I thought it's a good lesson anyway. The next day, the review came back and said the 13-inch iPad screenshots show an iPhone image that has been modified. I laughed it off, opened an iPad simulator and started taking screenshots, submitted them, then waited for an additional day. 4 days later, I got another review. It said my website does not direct to website with information users can use to ask questions or request support. It also mentioned that there is a mismatch between the marketplace app name and the app on device, whatever that means. I just told Cursor and Cursor made a fix for it, then I uploaded the build again. For the website issue, I created a Google form for users to ask questions and request support, then submitted. 2 days later, another review came and it mentioned that the Google form website is not sufficient. So I decided to take the exact message from the review and created a website for it with HTML and CSS deployed with Netlify. Included it on the distribution, then submitted for another review. A day went by, and as I was planning out my next move, I got an email from Apple that my app has been approved for distribution and that I should wait 48 hours. I got into the App Store immediately and I saw my app there. I was so happy. All my hard work paid off, even if the app is simple and vibe coded in under 30 minutes. I'm happy. This entire process took me 10 days. The biggest takeaway from my journey is to try to adhere to Google and Apple policies. Don't try to take shortcuts. Just do what they ask and do it right. So stay safe and happy coding. Until next time.